Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's Eileen from Scrap Amazing and I'm here with a new video for Mini Kit Monday. So my idea this week was to use my kit. So last week I created a really beautiful floral girly page, and this time I wanted to create a boy layout. So I took the blue color that I had in my kit, and I had this beautiful map paper that I'm cutting down and I will be using as my background paper. And I also have this photo of my boyfriend on his Schwalbe. It's a really old motorcycle, and yeah, he started to use it again because in the winter time he's not using it, so he started it for the first time this year, and I snapped this beautiful picture with his motorcycle. So in addition to the blue color, I wanted to incorporate the scraps I had from the first layout. So I grabbed the craft pattern paper with the crosses on it. So this was in my first layout as well, and this polka dot paper. And I also grabbed some vellum that I had left over. And yeah, I'm basically cutting these strips to a size that I like. So I wanted to have the craft one from the top down, and then the white one a little bit shorter to the left, and then the photo like I have it at the moment. And I fussy cut this super cool motorcycle or scooter symbol from the I think it's from the crate paper Here and There collection. So I had the large paper where this motorcycle was on, and I thought it's perfect for this photo, and the color is perfectly working with the background paper. And then I thought it would be cool to add some different papers into the layers, and I had a look through my 6x6 paper pad that I included in my kit. If you haven't seen my kit share, I will link it up here in the one that's popping up now. So if you want to check it out, click over there. I share all the things I have in my kit there, and you can see the paper pads up close a little bit. But I grabbed the Here and There paper pad, and there is this small paper with these envelopes and postcards, and I thought these colors were so matching with my boy theme. So I cut these up. So I just took the bluish greenish ones to coordinate with my layout, and yeah, I will tuck these in. I try to make this tag work with the road trip on there, but you will see I will not include it in my final layout. I couldn't make it work with the other things, but yeah, it's in my kit, so perhaps I will use it in my next layouts. So you saw that I stitched my layers down. So I stitched the craft one at the top and folded the edge over and stapled it with my tiny attacher, and then I sewed on my vellum paper and also around the whole white black and white polka dot paper. That gives it some interest and some texture, and yeah, makes it feel more layered. And yeah, then I was really struggling with these small cut apart postcards and envelopes. I really liked them. They went perfectly with the feel of the layout, but I couldn't make them work for me. So I knew I wanted to have the cut out at the bottom right corner of my photo with the motorcycle and these two pieces tucked in. I really, really loved that. But yeah, then I was not really sure how to go on with the other ones. Then I thought, okay, let's move on and decide on a title. Perhaps I can get this layout together easily when I have the title stuck down, and then I can build my clusters. So I had this Let's Go from the Create Paper Oasis collection. It's on the sticker sheet, and I thought this is cool. The black is picking up some black from the photo, and yeah, it's going with what I want to tell, because yeah, the story behind this layout is that my boyfriend decided to start his motorcycle again, so he will going on a lot of different rides here and there. So Let's Go was perfect for that. And then I also spelled out Schwalbe. That's how we call it. Like, this motorcycle is called Schwalbe, and we always say Schwalbe to it. So I thought this would coordinate perfectly. And these figures are in my kit as well. They are like a bluish color that goes perfectly with the blue in the motorcycle. So I had one cluster at the left of the photo with the title. I put a white tag behind my title to have it stand out more and have some background layer behind that. Otherwise it was quite it was getting lost when I had the blue thickers on the blue background. And now I had a plan to have another cluster up at the top where this blue envelope is, to carry over the blue color and the greenish color that is in the other clusters as well, to add more texture to these clusters. I also included this thread. I just took some white thread and tangled it and put it in the layers to have some thread nests. I don't know if you call them like this, but you can see them. I just put them in the clusters. So my layout, I will add some finishing touches, but I think I lost some footage here. So basically what I'm doing, I add the gold label down at the bottom, and then I thought it would be cool to have some gold touches here and there, so I will add some brads. So I'm super happy to have some brads on my layout. And then I will add this black at the top cluster where I just put it, and also add 3 gold hearts in the clusters to have these gold accent scattered around. And also off camera I add some white splatters to just have some interest. Here I show you all the clusters at the close-up, so you can see the bread and the gold heart in every cluster. And I also added a geotag sticker to my title. So thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to check out the other ladies that are participating in this month. I will link them down in the description box. If you like my video, give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. I really love to hear from you. Do you like to scrap boy themed layouts? If you do, leave me a comment down below. What is your favorite collection to scrap boy layouts with? Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.